Even though they look beautiful and graceful, there are many people who don't like swans because of how aggressive they can be. If you've ever been attacked by a swan, you probably already know just how strong they are. They are big, they are heavy, and their beaks and claws are like weapons. And even though they might look pretty, they can be really, really dangerous. So in today's video, we will try to answer one very important question. How aggressive are swans really? To answer this question, we need to understand what makes a swan feel threatened and what kind of attacks swans can perform. But before we do that, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Swans are known to be very protective of their young, especially when they are still in the nest. So if you go anywhere near a swan's nest, there is a big chance that it will attack you. The mother swan's main goal is to protect her eggs and her babies from predators. And she will do anything to achieve that, even if it means attacking you. She is not afraid of anything, and she will attack anything that comes too close. Even a big dog like a husky or a German shepherd wouldn't stand a chance against an angry mother swan. They are that strong. But it's not only mother swans that are aggressive. Male swans are just as bad. If you go to almost any lake where there are swans living, you will see signs that warn people not to feed the swans. And the reason for this is that male swans get extremely aggressive when there is food around. They don't like sharing their food with anyone, not even with humans. You might think that feeding swans is a pretty harmless thing to do, but it actually causes a lot of problems. When you feed swans, you teach them that humans are a source of food. This means that they will start following people around, begging for food. This also makes them aggressive towards other people because they think that you are trying to steal their food. In some cases, swans have even attacked dogs for no apparent reason. And the reason for this is that swans are very protective of their food, and they do and like sharing it with anyone. They will attack anyone who comes near them while they are eating, whether it's a human or an animal. There have even been cases where swans have attacked other birds for no apparent reason. It doesn't even have to be another swan. It could be any other type of bird. If the swan feels that the other bird is getting too close, it will attack it. This is because swans are very territorial, and they want all the food in their territory for themselves. Another reason why swans are so aggressive is because they are protecting their partner. Swans usually mate for life, and they are very loyal to their partner. If you try to get close to a swan's partner, it will attack you. This is because the swan thinks that you are a threat to its partner. And even if you have no bad intentions, the swan will still attack you. This is one of the reasons why you should never approach a wild swan. You never know how it will react, and it could potentially attack you. If you've ever seen a swan attack, it is truly amazing. They are so powerful and fast that you can't really defend yourself against them. Their beaks are like swords, and their claws are like hooks. They will use their beaks to jab at you, and their claws to hold you down. And if this wasn't enough, they are also very agile in the water. They can swim very fast, and they can also dive deep. This makes it almost impossible to escape from a swan attack. Once a swan has you in its sights, there is nowhere to run. So to answer our question, how aggressive are swans really? The answer is that they are very aggressive. They are big, strong birds that are capable of killing other animals, including humans. If you ever encounter a swan in the wild, be sure to give it space. Don't try to approach it or feed it. Definitely don't try to take its eggs or its babies. If you do these things, the swan will attack you, and you won't be able to defend yourself. So remember, swans are beautiful, but they are also dangerous.